Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we have a very exciting video. So this is actually going to be our empty house tour. So yes, we have decided to move on out again, which I'll explain more in another video. So we are going to be doing like moving vlogs, so I'm sure I'll explain over on them why we made the decision. So yeah, so today I thought I would just show you the empty house tour. I am honestly so excited and I already love this house so much already. It gives me that like homely feel already. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice new chapter for us. So I'm really excited. So I thought before we bring everything into the house, I will give you guys a little bit of a house tour and show you all around so you guys can see. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off near the door. So as you come in, there's another door here, which one thing I absolutely love about this house is the doors. Show them the doors, like how nice are the doors? I just love them. I can appreciate a nice, good door. As we walk in, obviously this is our kitchen and I really like it. Like, I absolutely love the worktops. I love the like wooden vibe to it. And I actually really like the nude shade. It's not really a shade, I don't know, that I would have usually picked out, but it's actually really, really nice and it makes the kitchen look nice and bright. This is the kitchen, which I think is really cute. So over on the other side, obviously moving over to this side, there is a nice area here, which we're not 100% sure what to do with this area yet. I mean, the most obvious probably choice is to put maybe table and chairs. That'll be nice. Obviously, when I'm feeding Pia and stuff, it would be quite nice to do it in here. Or I don't know, maybe I'll put my desk here. We're just not too sure yet, but this is obviously the outside of the kitchen. And then out there is our back garden, which is so nice because it just means that in the summer, Pia can go out there and play, and yeah, it'll be really nice. I'm really excited. Then you have the stairs just here, which we won't go up there just yet, so we'll carry on doing downstairs and then I'll take you upstairs. So we have two doors here, either side of me, and in this one, which I absolutely love, is a storage cupboard, which is perfect because the more storage space, the better. I think this would be like a good place to store like the pram, or maybe I could get a rail in there and just put all our coats and stuff, or maybe obviously our shoes and stuff. But that's what we're thinking with this cupboard. And then this side is actually the downstairs toilet, which I actually really, really like the sink. Like, I love the shape of it. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
The floor's nice as well.
Yeah, so that's the downstairs. And this next room is, of course, our living room. It's really nice, really bright. I love the fact that you have the two doors going outside into the garden as well. So you have the access through these doors, or you have the access through the kitchen. And yeah, it's cute. I love it. I'm just so excited to like bring everything into the house and make it a home. And then obviously you have all of this space, which we're so excited to just fill and make a nice living room. We are a little bit worried because now we're thinking, is our sofa too big? It's crossed, it will fit perfectly fine, but we'll have to give it a go. But yeah, so I love the living room. So now let's go and check out upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so let's start with the room on the end. So this is actually going to be Pia's room. And yeah, I'm really excited to make it her own little room. There's also an area in this corner as well. Because this house is on a corner, you have like the corner shape, which I actually think is quite cool. So I don't really care about that. That may bother a few people, but it actually doesn't bother me because I feel like you kind of get like each corners to make a separate thing, if that makes sense. So I love that. So this is Pia's room and I just can't wait to like make it all nice and basically like how we did her other room. Similar vibes, just make it more, yeah, just more like her room, personalised to her. So I'm just really excited to just make this her room. Just very similar vibes to what she had already, but obviously just set it up differently in here for her. I absolutely love how the house feels really bright as well because all the walls, luckily, were white anyway. When we moved into our last property, the walls were very like yellowy, so we painted it all. But it's actually nice because the walls here are all really white. So let's go and check out the middle room. So, middle room. So this is the middle room, and yeah, it's probably the smallest room in the house, but we just thought this would be perfect just to store some of our clothes, like a little bit of like a mini dressing room. We just thought that would be ideal for this room. So then this is the main bathroom. Very nice, just easy. It kind of gives me similar vibes with the colours to our last bathroom, which is really handy because obviously the stuff I already have, I would like to just obviously transfer and make it nice in this bathroom. So yeah, I love that. Obviously it's the grey, and I did also have grey in the last bathroom. So yeah, love it. The one thing I do find really odd is the mirror. It's so low.
Hi.
Can you see it's like really low? Like it's so low. See what I mean? But
even for you,
I mean, yeah, even I have to like tilt a little bit, but
it's very low. Maybe
it is quite low. Yeah, but it's fine. So lastly is our bedroom. Oh, we also do have a loft up there. Perfect, because we didn't actually have one in the last property. That'll be good for like our Christmas tree and stuff, because it was a struggle where to actually store that in the last place. So that's great to go up there. So then this is our bedroom. It's just very simple, very similar to like our old bedroom, so I can kind of just lay it out kind of the same way. Just perfect for the bed. If we want a TV, just pop a TV there, and then I don't know, maybe bedside tables. We're not sure, maybe eventually I can see that they had a wardrobe there. We could probably put a wardrobe there as well. But yeah, love it. Very classic, easy bedroom. So we also do have an ensuite, which is the last room in the house, which is just, yet again, very similar vibes to the main bathroom. Actually, this one's cream, so it's more of like a creamy, kind of sandy sort of effect that they have going on here. Just a classic ensuite bathroom, and yet again, I really, really like these sinks. That was a good choice from them. So yeah, and that's it, and there's no mirror in this one. But yeah. So that is the end of our empty house tour. I am literally so excited, and I cannot wait to make this house a home, especially for Pia as well. Like, it just makes me super excited for summer, and yeah, I love it. I just feel like we really needed that little bit more space. Maybe I was wrong and her apartment wasn't ideal for both of us, but we both just really liked it and wanted to give it a go. But you know, there's no really rules when it comes to if you want to move or not. You can kind of just do what you want. So we thought, why not just move again? So that's what we've done. Hopefully we'll be here for a lot longer this time, because I actually really do have a good feeling about this property. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope that you guys are going to stay tuned to see what we do with the house and our little move-in series, because we're really excited. So there should be a new video up in a few days, so let me know if you guys are excited. And also, obviously, because this will be the first video going up, let me know if there's anything specific that you guys want to see in the move-in vlogs that maybe necessarily I wouldn't have vlogged, just so I know that you guys are interested to see it, and I'll definitely do that. But until next time, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye!